Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Google Voice app or Voice. Google, com, and signing into your Google account. Once signed in, choose whether you want a new voice number or to port an existing one. The app prompts both options. Make sure you have your backup phone nearby for verification and your payment method ready if porting. Google shows fees up front. Follow the on-screen prompts to search available numbers by city or area code. Tap the number you want to reserve and continue. Once you reserve the number, you verify a forwarding phone by entering its number and confirming the code sent via SMS or call. You should link at least one mobile phone for calls and set up other forwarding numbers if desired. This routes incoming voice calls to those devices. Next, record or select a voicemail greeting and adjust ring and message settings. Make sure to enable notifications and check that calls forward correctly by placing a test call to the new voice number. To finalize, customize call screening, do not disturb hours, and voicemail transcription so the service behaves how you prefer. If you chose to port a number, have your current carrier account number and PIN ready. Porting usually completes within 24 to 72 hours, so expect temporary overlap. If something goes wrong, check that the forwarding phone numbers are correct, that the app has microphone and call permissions, and restart the app or device. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.